And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz. Let's go over my portfolio and let's have some DeFi updates. So in this video, we're going to go over baked beans, dollar beans, purple beans. Yes, I like these miners. They're simple. They're easy to maintain. I'm just a fan of them overall. We're going to go to Prosperity Gem Ventures. There is an update here with a schedule, so we'll take a look at that. And lastly, we'll take a look at my portfolio. So we have a lot going on here. This is my unbiased review of all these apps and my investments. I am not affiliated with any of these projects. These are just things that I'm investing in right now, and I'm investing very cautiously. Let's go over baked beans, the original miner here, version 2.0. It's been running for several days now. There's 4,451 BNB. If we look at the contract, that's about $1.37 million. It was at 1.4 a few days ago. I've already collected some money out of baked beans. I've recouped about 30% of my initial investment, almost 40%. I have maybe 2 more days before I can collect another 40%. The contract looks very healthy. I like that. Looking very strong. If you're new to this miner, make sure to check out my previous videos. I have a full tutorial, baked beans, maybe like 4 videos ago, and it's everything you need to know about this miner. And based on this miner, there are different miners, forks that have come out since, which work very similar. And again, I have videos of all these projects if you join my channel. Now, let's look at dollar beans. I'm a little concerned here with dollar beans. The dev is a trusted dev. The team is trusted. This is an audited project. There is no backdoors. Everything looks solid. They've added a few things here to the app that make it very easy for you to collect without any taxes. So pretty cool. I like dollar beans. But if we do take a look at their contract is down by like 30% within the first week of its launch. It's now at 198,000. This was almost at 300,000. And after the first 10 days, everybody cashed out. This one's going down really fast. If we look at the analytics and the activity of the transactions, and we had some big inflows as the project started, and around January 20th, we had, apparently there was some big marketing happening where we got new money coming in, and now it's slowing down once again. This is my honest opinion. These are the things that do worry me a bit when you see huge outflows within the first 10 days. 30% of the contract is gone. It seems like if we don't get new investors in here, we might not even ROI. I don't know. I like the team, and so I'm going to be optimistic, but I'm just sharing this information so that you guys know what to look out for when you guys invest in your own projects. These are just some of the projects I'm looking into. You might be looking into other ones that interest you, but these are the things that you need to pay attention to. So dollar beans, although I like it, I like the returns, I like what it's doing. There is no new money coming in as of lately, and the contract is being depleted pretty fast. So that's dollar beans. Now let's talk about purple beans. I made a video about purple beans when it barely launched. I believe there was about, 6,000 Matic when I jumped in here. I did see the launch. I jumped in there around 6,000 Matic, and I like where I stand right now. There's 32,000 Matic. If you've been following my channel and if you're subscribed to my channel, you would have got in here very early on. This can substantially grow just like dollar beans, and we can see 100,000 Matic here, 200,000 Matic, no problem. Like, once again, it's the same team as dollar beans. The contract is immutable. It's pretty safe in the sense that a rug pull is not very likely. We are seeing investors coming in here and taking notice of purple beans, looking really good. We'll go over at the end what my positions are doing and what I've collected. Now, let's talk about Prosperity Gem Ventures. This is one that I've been following. The team has been very vocal and active, has continued rolled over old contracts into new contracts and consolidating everybody into one contract, and I do like that. If we go to the new BSC USD contract, there's $4.4 million in here. So a lot of money coming in here, flooding into Prosperity Gem Ventures, looking very healthy and solid. I got in here again once it was around 500,000, 600,000. I made a video about the new website and contract in one of my videos. Once again, I release videos at critical moments. And if you've been following me, you jumped in there when it was below 1 million. Now it's at 4.5 million. I feel very at ease. I feel comfortable with this position, and I'm very happy that I jumped in. Now, I looked at my position, and roughly I've been invested for about 4 days, and it's earning me about 1% a day as of right now. So that's what it's paying right now, more or less about 1%. It's going to be a few days before I ROI and I can even take any profits. Now, this is the latest calendar. Join their Discord if you guys don't want to wait for any updates, and if you're heavily invested in this project, join their Discord. They're very active. They have an announcement channel where they give the latest updates. That's where I'm getting my updates. I'm not talking to anyone. I do not know the team. I just go to their Discord, and they have these announcements on a daily basis. They have private videos from the developers almost on a daily basis. You can get your latest updates. But this is a whiteboard that they put up just so that you can visually see easily what's going on with PGV. Refunds for the BSC USDT contract stopped on January 19th. From there, refund requests started. January 20th, day 1. January 21st through the 22nd was a weekend, all the way to day 5. Final day for all BSC refunds, Friday, January 27th. We still have 3 more days from the time of this video. Next step, starting Thursday, January 26th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, all withdrawals claims will be stopped for Tron contract for the refund request start. Now we're going into the Tron contract, just like they said they were going to do for the USDT contract, which they have fulfilled, and they are sticking to what they're saying, which is great. Now they're doing the same with the Tron contract. Here's the schedule for the Tron contract, January 27th through February 2nd. Final day for all Tron refunds, Friday, February 3rd. And the final step of this transition, starting Friday, February 3rd at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, all withdrawal claims will be stopped on the Polygon contract from the refund request start. And here are the dates. From the 4th to the 5th is the weekend. And then we have 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th through 12th. Those are the days. Final day for all Polygon refunds, Monday, February 13th. From there, we will only have our BSC USDC contract. We just took a look at that contract, $4.5 million, and they're looking very solid, very healthy. Our BSC USDC contract created for sustainability, time management, and decentralization. Rewards pool percentages are based on daily gem bot production. Number 2, how our percentages are determined, total percentage divided by days. From there, we set those percentages on the contract. Number 3, fully decentralized. Number 4, rewards pool equals 0.05% to 2% daily average. Number 5, no guarantees. I made a video about this whole disclaimer in my previous video. If you haven't watched that, make sure to go check that out as well. Number 6, refund yourself 15 days after last deposit for serious users. We have decided to allow all users on the BSC USDC contract until we have finished all refunds for the BSC USDT contract, Tron contract, and Polygon contract. Once we have finished all refunds, we will have an update on what we will be doing with the BSC USDC contract moving forward. And also, they have an AI bot being released for those of you who are interested. And this is how that AI software will work. March 1st will be the public release date for our GemBot AI software and platform. Cost is $200 per month for the bot. For the subscription can be purchased with crypto or dollars. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, me personally, I'm not interested in this. I'm not interested in buying a bot. I have some experience with bots. I actually have a bot course that I had released about a year ago. I do like bots. I was thrilled about bots, but this is something that doesn't interest me. Coming from a background that understands bots, there is plenty of software out there and other programs where you can create your own bots very easily and set your parameters without having to pay this kind of money. Some of those plans range from I believe $20 a month, $30 a month. This is 10 times a lot more than what a lot of bot offerings are out there. So not interested in this. That's just my personal opinion, but here's the information. Platform will include your own account login, step-by-step training, simple API integration with most exchange, even decentralized in-house software. All trades can be seen and managed directly from your account. After setup, no guarantees. Test the bot and see the results for yourself. Our trading bot platform will also include an affiliate program, which means you will be able to share your link and earn commissions. Interesting that the bot will have affiliates, but the project does not have affiliates. That's just what they're doing with referrals. However, that makes sense. That is the end. PGV will not be releasing any further contracts or projects. Thank you. I like this. We will have one contract and one GemBot subscription. That is it. I like that. Even though I'm not a fan of the bot or buying a bot, I like how they're finalizing and closing this chapter. I feel like a lot of investors have been getting bamboozled in the sense that they're migrating, requesting refunds, and it's just been a hassle. It's been a lot, and I'm sure it's exhausting. But to the flip side of that, they've been delivering and issuing refunds. Not a lot of DeFi projects give you a refund, and they've been delivering month after month on every move they've made. So very honorable about that. I like that so far. Again, this is DeFi. This could end next week. Don't go full throttle. Let's take a look at my portfolio so you can see how I'm managing this risk. Just because there's a lot going on here, you never know. PGV has a lot of flexibility in the contract, and they can move stuff around there. So just be aware of that. Let's go to my portfolio and see where I stand. This is my 2023 portfolio. If you want a copy of this portfolio tracker, join my Discord. Discord is free. Links on the description of this video. Once you join Discord, you can go to my Discord. I have a channel, free tools channel. You have a link to the spreadsheet. And once you go and click on the link, go to file, make a copy for yourself. And you'll have an editable spreadsheet for yourself for you to update. I also have a video about this. Make sure to check that video out. So the first projects I invested in the beginning of the year, Moneyline, I got rugged. I lost $200. Baked Beans, I've collected $39.39. Circulate Money, I only collected $6 and it got rugged. So I'm down about $400 already right off the bat. Dollar Beans, I invested $200. I actually collected from Dollar Beans yesterday. So about $60, looking very good. I like those returns. I will be ROIing in about 3 more weeks. Love that. But we did see the contract, and the contract looks like it has about 3 weeks. I'm not going to bullshit here, guys. Dollar Beans looks like it has 3 weeks. They need to push marketing, and they need to bring some new fresh money to keep it going. If you look at Baked Beans sustains. It's healthy. After every 10-day cycle, we see the contract hold steadily. That's what we want to see. Dollar Beans, it's not at that caliber. It's under 200,000. And based on what I saw this week, I think it has maybe 3 more weeks. That's the reality. PGV, I invested $203. I'm earning about 1% per day. So in about 10 days, that's $20. And I cannot withdraw unless you have a minimum of 50 USDC to withdraw. So I will not be able to withdraw from this contract until about 25 days. I'm sitting on my hands for PGV. I won't be collecting anytime soon, and that's where I stand with that. Purple Beans, the contract is solid. I went in there when it was around 5,000-6,000. Matic, it's at like 32,000, 5-6x. I love where I stand right now with Purple Beans. I invested $210. If we look as of now, total invested in this portfolio, $1,165. The portfolio value, this is how much I've collected from these apps, $104. I'm down $1,060 since the beginning of the year. I'm down 91%, but this is how DeFi works. There is a sunk cost in all these projects, and you only collect rewards. And here are my individual positions. This whole section is automated. Once you fill out this section here, this gets automated with the individual numbers. You don't have to touch this section, just like a tier. Everything is automated. Very nice. This is just a portfolio tracker I'm doing for 2023. I'm not going to set some crazy ambitious goals that I'm going to make $1 million. What I am doing is, the way I'm mitigating my risk is I'm putting risk capital, $200 And most of these positions, I actually should have put a little bit more in baked beans, but I already put that position and I don't want to go back in there. Maybe I'll put another $50 once I ROI. I wish I should have put $200. And the way I'm mitigating my risk is putting risk capital. Even though I might get excited in some of these positions, I'm not going to go in here and drop some heavy loads. The only way I'll do that is if I talk to the team personally, I have some sort of relationship where I question the developer and I have direct access to him and he wants to share with me personal information about the security of the project and how he's going to scale it, then I'm not going in heavy. That's what I'm doing. I'm just being very cautious based on my due diligence. Now, maybe some of you guys are a little bit more active than I am, and you guys are asking the questions, and you guys are in, their socials and talking to the devs, and you guys feel more comfortable based on those answers. Yeah, go for it. Size up. But at this time, I'm going to keep it slow. I'm going to continue to monitor DeFi and see how it goes as, Bitcoin is rallying up to 22, 23,000. And that's a good sign overall for the markets, but we don't know if this is a false breakout, and I'm going to be patient. So that is the latest DeFi updates I have in my portfolio, what I see going on. I have my eye out for some of the new projects being released. I see a lot of projects being released every week, and these are just some of the ones that interest me. I'll make more videos, even though if I don't invest in some of these projects, I'll make videos of things that I think are interesting. Thank you very much, guys. That is the latest DeFi update. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Check out all the links under the description of this video for this spreadsheet and all these projects if you want to get involved. That's going to do it for this one, and I'll catch you on the next one.